Hello students, welcome to math classes. Today I discuss about profit, loss and discount. It is very interesting topics, profit and loss. And every peoples have to know about profit and loss. Now, what is profit? What is profit? When selling price is greater than our cost price. When selling price greater than our cost price, then their difference is called profit. जब हमारा सेलिंग प्राइस ज़्यादा हो जाता है कॉस्ट प्राइस से, तो हम क्या करते हैं? दैट टाइम वी हैव टू गॉट प्रॉफिट. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय प्रॉफिट? इफ selling price greater than cost price, then their difference SP and CP is called profit, and profit equal to selling price minus cost price. Now loss. And if cost price greater than selling price, जब cost price मेरा selling price से ज़्यादा हो जाता है, that time we have to got loss. Then the difference of selling price and cost price is called loss. Loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Some important formula of profit and loss we have to know. Profit percent equal to profit by cost price into 100. Loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100. And other formula of profit. Profit percent into cost price by 100. Loss percent equal to loss percent into cost price by 100. To find SP या selling price, to find selling price when cost price and profit or loss percent are given. जब cost price और profit और loss percent दिया रहता है, तो हम selling price कैसे निकालते हैं? That time SP equal to selling price equal to cost price into 100 plus profit percent by 100. And if we have to loss, that time 5 for as selling price equal to cost price into 100 minus loss percent by 100. And to find sell cost price when selling price and profit percent or loss percents are given, हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? जब मेरा सेलिंग प्राइस और प्रॉफिट परसेंट या लॉस परसेंट दिया हो, तो कॉस्ट प्राइस हो जाएगा selling price into 100 by 100 plus profit percent, and we have to loss that times cost price equal to selling price into 100 and 100 minus loss percent. Now worksheet 1 of chapter 5, the chapter names profit, loss and discount. First question: by selling a bed sheet for rupees 640, a shopkeeper earns a profit of 28%, and how much did it cost the shopkeeper? अगर कोई शॉपकीपर उसे 640 रुपीज़ में बेचते हैं और 28% वो लाभ कमाते हैं, दैट टाइम उसका कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या था? Now selling price of bed sheet equal to 640 rupees and profit percent 28%. Now we have to know cost price equal to selling price into 100 and 100 plus profit percent. Selling price into 100 plus profit percent, that means 28%. And selling price 640 into 100 and 100 plus 28 equal to 128, and we have got 500 rupees. That means the cost price of bed sheet equal to 500 rupees. Another question: Ankit sold 2 jeans for rupees 990 each. One of he gained 10% and one of the other lost 10%, and find the gain or loss percent in the whole transaction. Another question: Ankit sold 2 jeans for rupees 990 each, and one he gains 10%, on the other he lost 10%. and find his gain or loss percentage in the whole transaction and total selling price of jeans, and each selling price is 919. The total selling price 990 plus 990 equal to 1980. Cost price at 10% gain, then cost price equal to selling price into 100 and 100 plus 10%. 990 into 100 and 100 plus 10 equal to 110. 990 by 110 into 100 equal to 900 rupees. When 10% gain, and that time their cost price 900 and cost price at 10% loss, that time the cost price 1100 and the total cost price 900 plus 1100 equal to 2000 and loss equal to 2000 minus 1980 equal to 20 rupees. Then loss percent equal to loss by cost price into 100 and 20 by 2000 into 100 equal to 1%, and the total transaction, and they have 1% loss.